Alright, today I'm going to show you guys how to change out your Vanity lights, replace them with LEDs. And this video is for all the 10th generation Honda Civics. Alright, first you want to get a really small clip, like super flat one, and from the side, pry out the cover. Then it should expose the two screws. Then you unscrew both of them, take them out. Then you pry the whole mirror off of the window visor so you can have easy access to the film. Alright, so what I did was just simply and carefully just grab at the corner and just pull it out just like that. Do the exact same thing on the other side and the whole thing should come out. You should hear a little click. Alright, now careful because the bulb might be hot, but you just simply grab the bulb and pull it out. Might take a couple of tries, but you eventually get it out just like that. Alright, so with these LEDs, they're the T5 LED bulbs. I'll put them in the description below for you. It's on Amazon. So in the video, I had trouble pushing it in, but I eventually got it off camera, fortunately. So you just line it up into the slot and just push it in with your finger super hard. Don't be afraid. Then you should finally and eventually get inside, and there's a little tab on the top. Just click on it, see if it turns on. If it doesn't, take the bulb out, turn it 180 degrees, and it should turn on.